Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed 24 problems in variable separable method in level 2. Now this is 25th question. See that? The solution of 1 plus sine square x dy plus cos x into 1 plus y square dx. Here, variables we want to separate. This is sine to that side and 1 plus sine square x sine to second side. Now see here, I'm separating the variables. 1 by 1 plus y square into dy plus cos x divided by 1 plus sine square x dx is equal to 0. So variables are separated. Apply the integration on both sides. Integration 1 by 1 plus y square dy plus integration. Here take that sin x is equal to t. If you are taken sin x is equal to t, then what happened? Cos x dx is equal to dt. So finally, we get like this. This is 1 by 1 plus t square dt, that is equal to 0. Apply the integration. Integration 1 by 1 plus y square mean that is tan inverse of y plus this is tan inverse of t. What is t, students? That is sin x. That is equal to some constant. But the curve is passing through y is equal to 2 and when x is equal to pi by 2. Here substitute that y is equal to 2 and x is equal to pi by 2. Then what happened? See here. These values substitute here. We get tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of sine 90 degrees 1, that is equal to c. This is in the form of tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What is the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y. 1 minus x into y is equal to c. Overall, observe this. That is tan inverse of minus 3 only. Which value? C value. Again substitute there. Finally we get tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of sin x that is equal to tan inverse of minus 3. Left hand side, see that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula, tan inverse of y plus sin x divided by 1 minus y sin x, that is equal to tan inverse of minus 3. Okay, now tan inverse is going to cancel. So finally, what we get, students? Y plus sin x divided by 1 minus y sin x, that is equal to minus 3. By observing the options, see why we want to separate that. Now do the cross multiplication. Y plus sin x, that is equal to minus 3 plus 3y sin x. 3y sin x. Next, how to do that? And minus 3 send left hand side. It is going to plus 3 sin x plus 3. That is equal. And y send right hand side. Take common y. What we get? 3 sin x minus 1 into y. Left hand side y, send right hand side and take common. Finally, what is the answer, students? Finally, sin x plus 3 divided by 3 sin x minus 1, that is equal to y. This is the answer. Students, which option is correct? First option is correct. These 26th one, equation of the curve passing through origin and satisfying the equation dy by dx is equal to x minus y whole square. Here, variables cannot be possible to separate. That's why let x minus y is equal to z. 1 minus dy by dx is equal to what? Dz by dx. Now finally, 1 minus dz by dx, that is equal to dy by dx. Substitute here. Dy by dx means 1 minus dz by dx, that is equal to x minus y means z square. 1 minus z square is equal to dz by dx. Now separate the variables. Dx is equal to dz divided by 1 minus z square. Apply the integration on both sides. Integration 1 dx is equal to integration 1 by 1 minus z square dz. Integration x 1 dx x, that is equal to, what is integration 1 by 1 minus z square, that is 1 by 2 logarithm of 1 plus z by 1 minus z plus c. So here, to send right hand side 2x, as well as here also right hand side it will come to c. C is constant, 2c also constant. No need to write. Logarithm of 1 plus, what is that? X minus y divided by 1 minus x plus y plus c. And what they are given? The equation is passing through what they are given, origin or not. In place of x and y, substitute 0 comma 0, then you will get c value is 0. Finally, you will get the answer like this. 2x is equal to logarithm of 1 plus x minus y divided by 1 minus x plus y. Logarithm means what is the base? E. By observing the options. So logarithm I am sending to left hand side. We get e power 2x and into 1 minus x plus y, that's equal to 1 plus x minus y. Students, are you understood? Or otherwise, write one more step, no problem. Here we get 1 plus x minus y divided by 1 minus x plus y. Now, e power 2x into 1 minus x plus y, that is equal to 1 plus x minus y. Students, which option is correct? First option is correct. The solution e power x into under root 1 minus y square dx plus y by x dy is equal to 0. Here, we can separate variables easily. That means root 1 minus y square, send this side, and x send that side. What happened? X into e power x dx plus y by under root 1 minus y square dy, that is equal to 0. Now apply the integration. Integration x into e power x dx plus, here see that integration y by under root 1 minus y square is there. So this is convert in the form of integration f dash of y by root f of y. 1 minus y square derivative minus 2y. 2 is not there and minus 2 is not there. Multiply minus 2, divide minus 2. Already I am written here minus. Students, are you understood? That is equal to 0. Now here integration x e power x dx. Use integration by parts or use the formula e power x into x minus derivative of x. This is minus 1 by 2. What is the formula? 2 root 1 minus y square is equal to some constant c. Here 2 to cancel. E power x into x minus 1, that is equal to, this term send left hand side, you will get plus under root y 1 minus y square plus c. This is the answer. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option. 28th one. How to do this? The solution of sine inverse of y dx plus xy under root 1 minus y square dy is equal to 0. Here, separate the variables. Sine inverse y, send this side, and x, send this side. So overall we get 1 by x dx plus 1 by root 1 minus y square into sine inverse of y dy, that's equal to 0. Apply the integration on both sides. Integration 1 by x dx plus integration 1 by root 1 minus y square into sine inverse of y dy, that is equal to 0. Integration 1 by x dx log x plus, here take the sine inverse of y is t, derivative of sine inverse of y 1 by under root 1 minus y square. Overall here you will get logarithm of sine inverse of y, that is equal to right hand side, write that log c. Left hand side log a plus log b, like that is a formula, log a b x sine inverse of y, that is equal to log c. Now finally, what is the answer, students? X sine inverse of y, that is equal to c. This is the answer. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? Y sine inverse x, sine inverse x. Here some more calculation is needed. Sine inverse of y, what? Sine inverse of y, that is equal to c by x. Now sine inverse send right hand side, you will get sine of c by x. This is the answer. Third option is correct. So finally, we are completed variable separable method level 1 and level 2 problems. Okay, students.